When stamping, welding and joining, your equipment needs to deliver the highest quality and precision under extreme conditions. In a press plant, forces of several tons are placed on the tools. Our sensors and accessories stand out even under these harsh conditions for their long service life. Our IP67 heartbeat power supply units provide you with continuous feedback about the load conditions and the degree of wear, as well as the remaining service life. Our inductive couplers transmit signals without contact and wear-free, while enabling rapid tool changes. The ID stored in the sensor actuator hub ensures the unique identity of the tool. When using IO-Link sensors, the parameter data is stored directly in the IO-Link master. This eliminates time-consuming re-entering of the parameters when a device needs to be replaced. After stamping, our light curtains and inductive sensors ensure removal of the stamped parts. This significantly reduces the risk of tool damage from a backlog. Weld splatter immune sensors and cables ensure continuous running of your equipment. Our impervious sensors with a stainless steel face or ceramic coating can also be installed directly in the welding area. Our I/O and network blocks are optimized for welding applications to ensure reliable signal transmission in electromagnetic interference fields. Use of our inductive couplers ensures that everything runs at top speed on your rotary storage units and that power and signal transmission are reliable. These non-contact systems are simple to install, maintenance-free and reliable. In short, they are a proven, wear-free alternative to traditional connection technology. When gluing, any defective joint or weak location caused by separation represents a safety risk. Our vision sensors reliably check the quality and consistency of the applied glue beads. An external light ensures correct lighting of the work surroundings. Lifting up to the next level, we transform the automotive production.